I know it's been a long time since we posted. It's been 2 years. And today we're gonna come back. This is gonna be my 9th birthday video. We're going to Legoland Hotel. See you guys there!
Happy birthday!
Okay, I guess. Why is it so close to my face? No.
Legoland? Are you ready? Wow, naka-swimsuit ka na pala. Fit check niya, fit check. Niya, fit check.
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you eating?
Ice cream. Yeah, ice cream. Yeah, ice cream. This guy is.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah.
Didn't work.
What's that?
2, 5, 3, 2.
Okay, put the code.
You got it. Maybe that's the mistake we made. We got Disney.
Wow!
No, I said no.
Dibs.
Girl.
Dibs.
Show your Legos. What's that? How about you? Oh, yeah, kailan ko i-abis Lego? Wow, what's that?
It's a map.
Wow, nakalibre pang Lego eh.
At least wait.
Video?
Yeah. If I is the
Here you go. Are you having fun, Liam? How about you, Caleb? Are you having fun?
Yes, sir.
That's what. I'm protecting me. Saya na.
There you go. What's up?
Don't throw, ah.
I'm just gonna.
Oh. Listen, I'll help you. What are you doing?
I'm making a big ice cream.
A big ice cream. You're gonna clean it up.
Yeah, but it's my dog. Yeah, can you?
What are you eating? Tell me.
This one.
What is this?
Pasta. Green. Potato and chicken.
What's this?
Ice cream.
What's in the ice cream?
And a sprinkle.
Sprinkles. Yummy?
Yo-yo. I'm eating pasta, wedges,
Wait, I'm not
and
taking your
strips.
food. Just wait there. Stay there.
Are you eating?
This one is beef.
Because it saw the salad dressing.
It's salad dressing.
Why are you videoing?
This is to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy Yay!
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow!
Hello.
Wow, nonchalant na eh. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday to you. Come, come, come. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Sit down, sit down. Happy birthday. Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Why did the banana go to the doctor?
Why?
Because it wasn't feeling well.
What are you eating?
I'm eating potato tots, French toast, and scrambled eggs.
Yummy?
Yum. This popcorn and then this one. Yes, waffle.
How about that one? The donut? That donut? Yum.
What donut? Is it strawberry?
Is it good?
Is it good?
Go, go, go.
Go inside. Dance. Yes.
Yeah, let's go! Woo! Yay! One, two, three, go! Woo-hoo-hoo!
one shipment only. Okay.
Are you eating?
Chicken strips. Let's go to Mama. Let's go to Mama. I want swimming. I want to on a lot of slides. The water was hot. And it felt good. I'm gonna eat.
Hmm.